All right, here we go with our Topps composite. Good luck to everybody in this one. We should have 3 autos per box on average. You're guessing the player on the last of those autos for 20 in credit. Empty box. Pack number 1. We start off with Drew Pearson, Rod Smith, Sterling Sharp, Steve Young. That one is numbered out of 250. Fractor Dante Hall. Zach Quinn, Kurt Warner. Next pack. Art Monk, Drew Bledsoe, Doug Williams, Midnight of Jason Taylor, Randy Moss, the purple mini diamond out of 250, going to the Vikings. We got Ray Lewis, Chad Johnson, Michael Vick. Get those guesses in for the player on the last auto. Roger Staubach, Jason Sehorn, Warren Moon, Dante Hall out of 199 on the purple mini diamond auto. Dante Hall is our first of what should be 3 autos. That's going to the Chiefs. Jim McMahon on the refractor. Grounded Deuce McAllister. Christian Okoye, Neil Anderson for the Bears. Dan Fouts, Doug Williams, Devin Hester, Barry Sanders, Ray Lewis, Chris Johnson, John Elway, Sterling Sharp. Frank Gore, Ray Lewis, Mike Singletary, Dallas Clark auto for the Colts. Surgeon's signature for Dallas Clark. Andre Reed, Edgerrin James, Delaney Walker, Ray Lewis. Eli Manning, Tom Brady, Mike Singletary, Terry Bradshaw, Sean Alexander, Art Monk, Randy Moss, Steve Young. Next pack. Marco Murray, Brett Favre, Jay Novacek. Ooh, got a patch auto of Stephen Davis. Dual patch there. That is amped up. That is 25 out of 25 going to Carolina. Nice looking card there. 25 out of 25 for the Panthers. Rod Woodson refractor. Edgerrin James, Deuce McAllister, Jerry Rice. We got 5 packs left. Luminance is up next. Dan Marino, Steve Young, Ray Lewis, and Donovan McNabb, Danny Amendola. It's out of 75, 20 out of 75. Chris Johnson and Howie Long. Jim Kelly, Rob Gronkowski, Will Levis, Wayne Cabret. Jay Novacek out of 199 for Dallas. And it's Smith, Earl Campbell, Anthony Richardson. 3 packs left. Chris Johnson. Ed Too Tall Jones, Eli Manning, Bryce Young on the midnight. There's Charles Tillman out of 249. Art Monk, Anthony Richardson on a couple in a row. Last 2 packs coming up. Teddy Bruschi, Kellen Winslow, Keenan McCardell, Lawrence Taylor, TJ Watts, Aikman, Richardson, and Earl Campbell. Final pack in this one. Looks like Stephen Davis is going to be the guest. There's Darren Woodson, Jason Taylor, Eddie George, Mike Singletary on the refractor. Bryce Young out of 325. The Topps Finest. Joe Montana, Dan Marino, Rod Woodson. Let's top load a recap, then we'll move on to the last break of the night. And we will be breaking again Monday. Use that future break schedule link pinned in the chat. Grab your spots. Getting that one filled out soon. We'll get that list finalized hopefully by tomorrow. And we'll get Tuesday and Wednesdays started, so on and so forth. So follow that future break schedule so you can keep track of those breaks coming up. Got the Steve Young out of 250. Randy Moss out of 250 on the purple mini diamond. Out of 75, it's really hard to see there. It's Danny Amendola. Out of 199, Jay Novacek. Charles Tillman. Out of 249. Out of 325. 315 out of 325, Bryce Young. Out of 199, Deontay Hall. Dallas Clark. And out of 25 out of 25, Stephen Davis on the relic auto. All right, that does it for this one. Let's get title updated, and we'll get Luminance Football coming up next. PYT 94. It's the last